tool belt fit can make all the difference on the job, whether it's keeping you comfortable or keeping you productive. Let's make sure you've got the perfect fit for your Occidental Leather tool belt so you're ready for whatever the day throws at you. I'm Travis with Occidental Leather, and today I'll guide you through how to size your tool belt the right way. Whether you're picking up your first Occidental Leather tool belt or replacing one that's been through the grind with you for years, we've got you covered. Now first thing, let's talk measurements. If you've already got a belt, grab a tape measure and lay your belt on a flat, even surface. Measure from the end of the buckle to the hole that you use the most. Once you've got that number, check our sizing chart and look for the mid-range that fits closest to your measurement. Our belts come in a variety of sizes from small all the way up to XXL, with each belt having 9 holes that cover an 8-inch range. Now for example, if you measure 41 inches from end of the buckle to your most used hole, you'll want to go with a size large. This puts that most used hole on your belt right in the middle, giving you room to adjust as your leather breaks in, or if you need extra space for winter gear. Get this sizing right and your Occidental Leather tool belt will become one of your most valued tools on the job, keeping you comfortable and productive all day long. With all that out of the way, head over to our website to find the Occidental Leather tool belt that's right for you, or use the Find a Dealer tool linked in the description below to find an Occidental Leather dealer nearest you and experience the Occidental difference for yourself. If you have any further questions or may need any further assistance, contact our customer service team at service@occidentalleather.com. Thanks for choosing Occidental Leather. We're proud to have your back on the job.